Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes. I am Surbhi and I am going to take the class of 10th chapter 2 acids, bases and salts. This is the name of the chapter. I am going to tell about the next topic. What is the next topic we will discuss here, and what is the acids, bases and salts and their properties. You can watch my previous video also. There is the playlist of class 10th also available in my channel, so you can watch for that. So let's start today's topic. First is the bleaching powder. What is the bleaching powder? The formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. The formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. This is the formula of bleaching powder. And how can we prepare bleaching powder? Let's see here. This is the calcium hydroxide. This is the calcium hydroxide. When calcium hydroxide react with chlorine gas we prepared in my previous video the lecture of the NaOH formation, where Cl2 is formed. That Cl2 is used in this reaction. Calcium hydroxide when react with chlorine, then it is formed the bleaching powder. This is called the bleaching powder. This is called the bleaching powder, and water is also formed. So this is the process by which we prepare the bleaching powder. Now what is the uses of bleaching powder? For the bleaching of clothes. You know very well, we bleach our clothes in laundry or in at home by the help of bleaching powder. Next is for the bleaching wood pulp. Wood pulp is also bleached by the bleaching powder in paper industries. Next is the as oxidizing agent. Bleaching powder is also used as the oxidizing agent in chemical industries. Next is to make drinking water free from germs. To make drinking water free from germs, we use bleaching powder. We put some bleaching powder in hand pump and in well, so our water become free from germs. So this is also the use of bleaching powder. Next is baking soda. What is the baking soda? Let's see. You study about the caustic soda in previous video. Here we discuss about the baking soda. What is the baking soda? This is the formula of baking soda, NaHCO3. This is the formula of baking soda, also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is the baking soda. How can we prepare baking soda? Let's see. NaCl, you know very well, common salt, sodium chloride, react with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. This is the ammonia, and form NaSCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Okay, and ammonium chloride also form. This is called what? Ammonium chloride. So by the process of common salt when react with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, then sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is called baking soda, is formed, and ammonium chloride also formed. Okay, what is the uses? During cooking, what happened? During the process of cooking, what happened with baking soda? Let's see. Baking soda on heating process. When during the process of cooking we heated the baking soda, then it converted to sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. This is the what? This is the sodium carbonate. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, but this is the sodium carbonate. Formula is Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 formed. During the cooking process, sodium bicarbonate converted into sodium carbonate and water, and carbon dioxide. Okay, what is the uses of baking soda? Let's see. Some uses you also know. What is the uses of baking soda? Baking soda is used for preparation of baking powder. You know baking powder, to bake the cake, to bake the breads, etc. We use baking powder. How baking powder is prepared? Baking powder is the mixture of baking soda plus mild edible acid. I repeat again, baking powder is the mixture of baking soda plus mild edible acid. Okay, how it can prepare? Let's see. During cooking process, what happened? During cooking process, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate plus H plus. H plus is what? H plus is the acid of the H plus is the ion from the acid. H plus is the ion from the acid, and both are mixed and form baking powder, because baking soda and acid mixed with and form baking powder. On heating process, it converted into carbon dioxide, water and sodium salt of acid. So this is formed on the process of cooking with the help of baking soda. Now come on the next. What is the uses of that? Also work as anti-acid. Baking soda is also worked as anti-acid to provide relief in stomach pain. When our stomach has become pain, then we eat some baking soda for the relief from acidity. Okay, because it neutralized the effect of acid and converted the acid base mix and converted into the salt. Okay, so this is the baking soda. Now come on the washing soda. What is the washing soda? Washing soda is the formula of washing soda is the Na2CO3 into 10H2O. Sodium carbonate into 10 molecule of the water. This is called the washing soda. This is called what? Washing soda. How can we prepare washing soda? When sodium carbonate react with water. When sodium carbonate react with water, then this is form sodium carbonate washing soda. Sodium carbonate with water, that is called the washing soda. I repeat again, washing soda is the crystal form of the sodium carbonate. When sodium carbonate react with water, then form the washing soda. And what is the uses of washing soda? Used in glass, soap and paper industry. Washing soda, you know very well. Removal of permanent hardness of water also used, and cleaning up our clothes also used washing soda. So this is the class. I repeat my class again. Here we have studied about 3 topics. First is bleaching powder, second is the baking soda, and third one is the washing soda. First is bleaching powder. Formula is CaOCl2. How it is formed? When calcium hydroxide react with chlorine gas, then bleaching powder and water is formed. Next is uses. What is the uses of bleaching powder? For the bleaching of cloth in laundry, for the bleaching of wood pulp in paper industry, as oxidizing agent in the chemical industry, to make drinking water free from germs. So these are the use of bleaching powder. Now come on the baking soda. What is the formula of baking soda? NaSCO3. How it is prepared? When sodium chloride react with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, then form ammonium chloride plus sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is called the baking soda. During the cooking process, baking soda on heated form sodium carbonate, water plus carbon dioxide. Uses. With the help of baking soda, we use baking powder. Baking powder is the mixture of baking soda plus mild edible acid. Okay. During the cooking process, sodium hydrogen carbonate plus H plus, which has come from the acid, given out carbon dioxide, water plus sodium salt of acid. It's also work as the antacid to provide relief in stomach pain like acidity. Next and last is the washing soda. Formula is Na2CO3 into 10H2O. How it is prepared? When sodium carbonate react with 10 molecule of water, then it converted into washing soda Na2CO3 into 10H2O. What is its use? Use in the glass, soap, paper industry, and also remove permanent hardness of water, and also cleaning of the cloths. So this is my class. You can take a screenshot and also write in your notebook. I think you understand it very well. Thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here for Krishna classes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.